Morning guys, it's Taylor. What's up you guys? I just grated cheese for supper tonight. We are gonna have some broccoli salad again. Also we are just relaxing. This morning we were both not feeling 100%, so I don't know what's wrong with us, but we will figure that out. So that's what's going on. We have some stuff that's going on. So that's what we are doing. I'm just hanging up with this, just tossing some stuff away, cleaning up. So that's what we do. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are playing Mario Party, so that's what we are doing right now. Rachel made broccoli salad. I also made pizza, but I don't have a picture of the pizza, but it was so good. I ate all of it. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.